Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you all had a good morning trading.
Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Going to get these links out to Discord, then we'll get going.
In this bull run, Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TD rates fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did.
Just getting these links out to Discord here.
In this bull run, chart in his hand. Zoom out, fam, got a long-term plan. From politics scripts to crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips.
I think we're going to do guess the number depending on how many people show up. Okay, let's go here. It's lost all my sup. Well, how's it going? Go over what I did this morning. You guessed 12. That's a good guess, Willa. Good morning. How's the sound, everybody? Good morning, Rick. How you doing? How's everyone's trading going today? I had a good week. My new scalping strategy's working. If you have not signed up for Nexgen, the link is in the description. I have to change which one I'm doing on stream because I traded it this morning. Let's see if y'all can see that. Okay, so this is the one I just picked up this morning. Obviously, I had 3 pass, but I picked up a self-funded. So I can start fresh and have a backup if I need it, because I have another past eval, as y'all know. Well, I did that live. Up 800 on this one this morning. And then up almost 1100 on that one. Trying to keep it in 40%. So I'm done with these. Just scalping this morning, that chop. Let's go. Took one loss on myself. I wanted to show that in Discord. That was tied to my Tradeify account. So that Tradeify account's probably gone. I took a max payout. But that one's probably toast. That's alright. Took max payout. So we're good there. Let's see if I can get some good scalping going on here. What's up, Wills? I don't know how to say your first name, but how's it going? I have an eye on the mobile. Yeah, everyone stop Wild Bears from winning this 50K because I don't know if he can win another one. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure I'm on the right account. I am. So the new one that I'm going to try to trade only live is 47. I was just in a zone this morning, so I just kept on going through my accounts. I also picked up 1,300 on my Apex account as well. Took that one loss on my self-funded. Why do I keep doing that? It seems like my self-fundeds always take a beating. But this is my new scalping strategy, so I'm going to give it a month and see where it goes. This looks like it wants to chop for a bit. Yeah, I think we'll play Guess the Candle. Where can you get 100,000 or more? I think I don't know. I don't know. I know you can, well, if you want to do multiple accounts, that becomes much easier. I'll go to Nexgen and show that. I don't want to sell too much, you guys, you know me, but I'll just do it since this is a question asked by Rick and you're awesome. So let's go do that. I'll bring it in a second. Nexgen has something different than every other affiliate when it comes to getting payouts. The more payouts you get, the more accounts you can get, and the higher the payout can be. So Nexgen is one where you can build up. What's up, Ofner? How's it going? Let's see if I can find it in the... I do have a video in the can that explains all of the rules for Nexgen. I think it's going to chop here, so I don't mind talking about this before I get into my scalping mode again. Let me see if I can bring this into the screen. Okay, you should be able to see that. Okay. Since we are giving away a Nexgen account, I don't mind this pitch. They've been good. They've been paying out to everybody. What's up, it's Desks. How's it going? If you're all new, like and subscribe. Giving away 50K here in a bit. But Rick asked, which prop can you get $100,000 build up? And I think you can get here with... Can't remember where it is. They have a really good FAQ. Maybe here. Yep. Okay, so your daily loss limit. Let's see, do they have the... No, where is it? Okay, I'll find it off, because that's going to get boring. I'll find it off when off screen and then bring it in. I thought it was right there. But what happens is, like, after your like 8th payout, after your 8th payout, you can request more accounts and you can request higher payouts. Right now, it looks like it's just going to chop a little bit, maybe dump some here. I could be scalping this right now. Payouts and withdrawals. Oh yeah, here it is. Payouts and withdrawals, found it. It would help if I just went to the payouts and withdrawals first, right? Okay, so 8 payouts. See how much you can. Okay, 8 payouts at 1,500. That's 12K in payouts. And then after that, you can request double up to 16. So 8 more payouts, you can request double. And then after that, 16 plus, you can request double of that. So you can start requesting $6,000 on your 50K. So if you're looking to scale, I would 100% scale with Nexgen, because at every level here, you can request more accounts, period. Here you can request more accounts. They don't have that in the rules. It's in their Discord somewhere. I'd have to dig that up. But you can request more accounts up to 10 accounts. I think up to 10 accounts after you get 16 payouts. So they want you to scale. So look how many payouts you get. 16 payouts. I haven't done the math, so I might as well do the math right now. 1,500 times 8. That's 12,000, right? Yeah, 12,000. And then the next one is 8 times 3,000. That's 24,000. Oh, this is and then obviously double that, so 48,000 after that. So yes, scale with them. So 24 plus 48 plus 12. We're talking 84,000 in payouts and more. And that's on one account. If you're copy trading them, obviously, you know, do the math. Hope that explained it for you, Rick. What's up? Let's go. You have to take a look again. I hit all my expectations like really quick here. Let's see, like really quick. I scalped through here with my 1 minute scalping strategy. I hit here on a couple accounts. This is kind of where I got chopped up on my self-funded. And my Tradify account is probably now toast, but I took max payout on that Tradify account. So I didn't have much drawdown to begin with left on that. I really don't like the Tradify account straight to fundeds anymore. They're 20% consistency. Now that Nexgen has 40% consistency on the self-funded, yep, yes please. 20% consistency just freaking punishes you. So I might be done with Tradify for a bit. And this is dumping nicely. I should have jumped in. I'm going to check the size of these candles because, as you know, I'm going to, well, you don't know because I haven't done this live. Usually I'm trading the fractal model live, not my scalping strategy. Yeah, these are about 84. So these are still good size candles for me. Thanks, Mango. What's up? Thank you. Link is in the description. If you don't have a Nexgen account, smash that link in the description. I only get it only gets counted if you use that link. But yeah, use EBR. We're going to be playing Guess the Candle Close is what we're going to be doing. No, I'm working on my first payout from them right now. I know lots of people have gotten payouts though from them. If you go on Twitter, no one is complaining that they're not getting paid out by Nexgen. That was a big selling point for me. I couldn't find one trader that said they got screwed. I haven't really taken a look since I jumped on where we're going to go, so let's go. This is the T-Trades fractal model. Okay, if we jumped in on that fractal model at the 15 at 7:15 you're in. I don't use the indicator that much though. I use it for the time. For those of you who are new to the fractal model, I play this is the 4 hour here on the right, the bigger candles. This is a 4 hour. That's where I get my bias. 15-minute I get for like try to see the 15-minute tap a point of interest here. This point of interest actually would have been about that 50% mark of the last 4 hour candle, so that would have been a short here. And my entry is the 1 minute, where I look for a change in state of delivery on the 1 minute, much like what just happened here. So I'm trying to see, made the wick change in state of delivery, which means that in this case, oops, that's the wrong one. In this case, the bearish candles closed below a series of bearish candles. So down close candles closed below a series of up close candles, made this 15-minute wick. This was actually perfect. While I was talking about Nexgen, this was perfect. As I say, we probably could have scalped this. And then my scalping strategy is to get in on this and get 1 or maybe 2 candles. But if it looks like it's going to run, I'll hold it longer. But I'm going big with large size on these candles. How are you doing, Captain Edge? Yeah, I guess Captain Edge doesn't like the fractal model, but my payouts like the fractal model. Everyone has their models. I'm not one of those people that say you have to trade this or whatever. I'm just telling you what I trade. And it's not financial advice because I'm just a hobby trader, so we're just here having fun. Hit that like and subscribe. I'm going to be, what time should we do the giveaway? Willow, what time should we do the giveaway? Whatever Willa says is when we're going to, what time that last candle is. So if Willie is still watching. Price action has been beautiful today. All except for this dump where I wanted to get in and couldn't. Then I get in here and then screw up. What's this right here? Oh, that's just the explaining. Okay, so this is part of the T-Trades fractal model indicator. We got tells you what you're trading, NQ, and then it tells you what time frames you're looking at, the 1 minute, 15 minutes. So this is the 1 minute here, this is the 50 minute here. The number is the time left in the 15-minute candle. And I have it on auto bias because I don't even look at the bias at all, really, that it gives. But right now it's a neutral bias on the higher time frames on the 15-minute. And as you see here, then it has a 50-minute, 4 hour, 2 hours left on the 2 hours, 50 minutes left on the 4 hour. They have a bearish, 4 hours bearish, which as we all know. Yes, I do. Right? I often trade the Power 3. I only trade NQ. It's the only thing I've ever, basically ever traded for futures. I come from a crypto background where I traded Bitcoin a lot. I just got tired of it. Yeah, there's a free indicator if you want the higher time frame one. Okay, this T-Trades, I learned the T-Trade model. I don't mind giving them $40 a month for it because I've made so much money off the model, off its free stuff online. I know I'm pitching another YouTuber. I don't care because I learned so much from T-Trades. It's epic. If you want to learn more about the fractal model, go ahead and look up T-Trades fractal model. But there is a higher time frame one. It's this one here. If you just want that, I don't have it quite set up right, but it's called ITC HTF candles, and this is, as you can see, it's pretty customizable. You can put whatever you want. T-Trades is a little more in depth. It gives you the fractal model when it comes out. It splits out like each of these vertical lines are 15-minute time frame, and then when you go to the 15-minute, each one is a 4-hour candle. I like that because it lets me know where we are in the candle without having to look down at the time all the time. Yeah, we were pretty bearish coming into the day. I mean, we had this coming down. This looked, I didn't think that this is very bearish, but we decided to have it roll over here. Oh, I didn't notice this little gap before. We're in this gap now, so there could be a retracement. Whoever said retracement, you might be right. Because we have this, man, cooperate. Got that there. Anybody you're curious, we can go over Bitcoin. We've been tracking Bitcoin. I've not been trading it. We've been pretty good at predicting Bitcoin last few weeks. If anybody wants to see that, I'll do that, no problem. Sure, it's Deeks. We'll do Bitcoin. I have a chart, for those of you new, that I never delete anything on. We've been calling this for a long time. We've been calling this level for a while. Let's go back to whatever date this was. These lines were not drawn after the fact. These lines were drawn before the fact. So yeah, so on Monday we said that it could go up into this fair value gap, retrace down to about a 786, and that order block, 50% of that order block, bounce up. We were worried that it might get stuck on that 4-hour fair value gap. It did, and then we were hopeful, because the reason I stopped trading Bitcoin for the most part is I'm a mega bull, so I don't want to. My personal bias always gets in the way. So this retraced into a 786. This was a 786 here into this area. We said it had to bounce here and retest. If it doesn't, we're looking down. It didn't. It created another fractal model here where it closed below those series of closed candles. So we predicted here that it would come retrace back up into the fair value gap. It didn't quite do that, and then back down to at least 65, if not 50% of this wick, but now it's dying. So now we're gonna have to look for more. Right now it's just straight down, and that's pretty hard to jump into. So it's going to probably the fourth deviation of this order block here at least. So that's going to be 58,000 before we see a possible reversal. So that's what I have for Bitcoin. This is like, as I said, I never delete anything here. This might never delete. Almost called the top. Came close to our prediction, like $4,000 off. $3,000 off, something like that. And then we just watched it, and then I started tracking it again after it broke out of this. And these calls were all on live, so they're somewhere in the history. Okay, back to NQ. Not liking anything at this point here. It's in this fair value gap. Oh no, that's the daily gap there, huh? Still looks like more down. I'm quite content with what I did today. Rick is looking at the unicorn on the daily. Hey Max, Menda, what do I suggest? You were asking if you should study ICT or not. What I always suggest is I think that most trading strategies work, right? As long as you have an edge on it, it doesn't matter. Whatever speaks to you. The fractal model spoke to me for many reasons. It gave me a more defined entry and a more defined stop. So that really helped me because I was always having a hard time placing my stop. But the fractal model gave me a definite stop area. So that just spoke to me. So that's what I went with. But whatever works for you. If fibs work, play fibs. If trend lines somehow work for you, do trend lines. It's no wrong way to trade. It's whatever you have an edge in. That would be my recommendation, is to find what you're passionate about, what model looks passionate to you, what speaks to you, what do you see easily, what can you back test easily, and then you can start forward testing after that on paper, and then if you have an edge, move to a eval, and then on to funded. What's up, Busta? Sorry I didn't see you come in. Yeah, when I trade the fractal model, yes, I have a very defined RR. I go 1 to 2, and usually it will be exactly a dollar amount. So I will jump down to micros. and get that so it's the right dollar amount. So for this we'll go over this one because this one was perfect. My risk would be this. So the stop, let me turn off the magnet. So my stop would be above that because that right there was the formation of the wick after it changed the state and delivery. It formed that 15-minute wick. Then I'm looking for 1 to 2. 1 to 2 seems to be my sweet spot with the fractal model, right? So it hit. I know that's hindsight, but you all have seen me do it many times. Or some of you have seen me do it many times. See, this one right next to it is pretty good too. Again, stop above that 15-minute candle wick. What you're doing is you're projecting. Oh, that's what it hit too. Basically, what the fractal model does is you're predicting the formation of a wick on the higher time frame, and using a change in the state of delivery on a lower time frame to enter, and using that wick as your stop, or that tail as your stop. Likey, what's up? But now, see, we're in chop. I wish I wasn't talking during this. I would have scalped that a couple times. But here we are. Oh my God, Likey, really? But it really does not matter. Just up your size. Right? If you can only trade 10, go 20 times your normal size. Not financial advice, but right? That's how the math works, isn't it? That's right. Bull run is endless. Again, that's why I stopped trading crypto, because I'm a mega bull on it. Even when it's falling. Start DCAing. Well, on Bitcoin anyway. I'm not quite a Bitcoin maxi, but might as well be. NQ just was up and up and up. There had to have been a retrace at some point, right? And I think we're starting to see that now. Yes, I did take trades, but not on stream. I use a scalping model that I just explained. I took one loss on my self-funded, which was also tied to my Tradeify account. Some of that, my Tradeify funded is probably toast. Took max payout on it, not worried about it. Then I took several other trades on Nexgen. Whoops, wrong. Up 800 today. These are fresh. First day I traded them. Up 800 on this 50K, and up 1100 on this 50K, and I also took 1300 on the prop firm that I've been banned on for a year and a half, but still have accounts there, so they're letting me trade. You can guess which prop firm that is. They never gave me a reason why they are evaluating me to go live for a year. But they're still paying me out, so I don't care. I just can't buy evals with them, and nor would I ever again. This price action was easy to get chopped up in. As many of you know, I am very good in chops, so this is where I made a lot of money in this chop here. I got, believe it or not, I sized up way too big here, and that's where I took my L. Really, I thought this one, that red candle, was going to keep on going down and at least come down to here, and it didn't. So I took, it basically waked me out, then dropped again. Fun, right? Because that was a bear flag. That was, if you trade bear flags, see, anything works. This bear flag worked today. What's up, Wild Deuce? Are you here to win another eval? We're hopping today. Okay. What we're gonna do is, for those of you who are new, first you have to like or subscribe to the stream. You have to have a Nexgen account. If you don't have a Nexgen account, link is in the description. Smash that one. But I'm assuming a lot of you do, because I think I know where this is. So what we're doing here is, it's called Guess the Close of the Candle. It will be the 1114 candle that you're going to be guessing. Let me write this down so I don't get 1114 candle, close of it. I'm at 1214, sorry, we can't go back in the future. 1214 will be the candle. You have to have your guesses in by 1210. So your guesses will be in by 1210. I'll be writing these down. So by 1210, have your guess on what the 1214 candle will be. And that's how we'll do it. A little bit of skill. We have quite a few people here, but I would think I'd be able to keep track of it. And you all are fair people. My regulars are fair people, so they'll help me tell. Oh, Busta, I can't say it, or the prop firm is now threatening to claw back anybody's winnings if they speak bad about them online. So I don't know. You're just gonna have to guess and use your imagination about which one it is. Oh, Rick, you're gonna guess already? The 1214 candle. $29,708. I got you. There we go. This looks like it's going to consolidate, be an inside trading candle, then make it hell on the next hour here. Yeah, you think some retracement? Dictator, I got you. I'm just going to call you Dictator. 29,630 ish, but it's going to be 630. Chronic. 29,590. You guys have the 1110 to guess, so you can wait a little bit longer if you want. You're welcome, Max. I was trying to keep an eye on the mobile stream as well. So that's how we're doing the giveaway. So this way it helps. It's a little fun. Busta's in. $29,598.50. Akasa. Sorry, I'm going to butcher your name, so I'm not going to say it. Sorry about that. Akash. Obviously the rules are you have to be able to trade at Nexgen in order to win it. You have to like and subscribe here. Make sure to join the Discord for Nexgen. Their links on their website. Wild berries, I swear to God if you win again. I got you. 29,568.25. Wild berries was 2 ticks away from last call. Orphan RCU. $29,680. Mango ICU. 29,599 even. Mara ICU. All right, we're getting a lot of entries. This is going to be fun. If there's a tie, we'll go to a wheel spin to break that tie. Oh, look at that dump. Look at that reaction. So yeah, I've taken a lot of trades this morning, so it's not imperative. I'm not itching to take a trade here. Although there's some pretty damn good setups lately. Spider, I see you. If I don't call out your name and you put something down, let me know, because sometimes YouTube will remove it. Yes, we're guessing where the 12:14 candle is going to close. And you have to 12:10 to do it. Well, Deuce, let's talk about that. Because I think there's quite a few of us that we can, in the Discord, that we can do something. I've built massive media companies in the past. Let's do it with this. I've just never done it for myself. I'm not the best host. Especially for trading, you all know I can go days without a trade, unfortunately. Not with the scalping strategy, but with the fractal model, I become extremely picky. But we can do something. I built massive followings for other people. This is just a hobby for me, though. What's nice is before I got banned from that prop firm that shall not be named, made enough to open a dispensary and then sell that dispensary. So I'm just taking some time off from everything. So I'm doing this. See, this didn't leave. This, well, I won't keep on saying this, but I say I'm going to repeat myself because there's a lot of new people. When the wick is made on the first 1 minute candle, I don't like that. I like it when it's more like this, or the second candle, or this one's even better. I like when the wick is made a couple candles into the 15-minute candle, because I feel like a lot of the times that if it makes a wick on the 1 minute, it's going to be manipulation on that 1 minute. I want to get rid of this because, well, we know we're in this. It's distracting me. We know we're in that 1 minute, one day gap. So this could be a consolidation to a reversal off of this gap for the rest of the day to make the daily tail. Oh, let me put it on live chat in case I miss anybody. Spider was the last one I got. Okay. So we are guessing the close of the 14-minute candle. Win a 50K eval from Nexgen. You have 6 more minutes to guess. Thanks, Willa. But how would this reversal look on the 15, right? We might have this 15, trade down some. Then the next 15 minute, come up here. Wherever the 15-minute closes, I shouldn't be doing this too far ahead of time. But this is what I'm expecting. If we're going to see a reversal, we're going to want to see this here. We're going to want to see this when this closes. The next 15-minute come up. Next thing, come up, come down, and then go up. So we're making a swing low on the 15. Right, so then the next candle would come down and up. That's what we're looking like for a reversal. Make a swing low, third candle here, and pump. If it's going to reverse, that's what we're looking for. It just seems like death. It just wants to die and die and die. What's up, Lucky? How's it going? Fidel, we got you. $29, 580.5. Three and a half minutes to get your guesses in. Guess the close of the 14. Yeah, the 14-minute candle. 12:14. That peaked into that fair value gap and dumped, didn't it? Yep. I keep on saying this too. I gotta get a new mouse for this computer. It's way too sensitive. It's good for designing and everything, but not for. But look at that reaction off that fair value gap. That was sweet. Can we just do the candle closure? This candle closure instead. Why? This is what you called it, Mango? Man, it just wants to dump again into this fair value gap and dump. It's just bearish, bearish, bearish. I feel like it's now trapping. Kate, I got you. Kite. 29, 568. What's up, EMS? You're all in on black? Crap. Last we got you 29,573. 29,573. Then whoever wins, if I don't know you on Discord, go and I'm gonna ask for your Twitter ID, and then I'll message you on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter too. I think that link's in there. If not, it's at Endless Bull Run on Twitter. I don't know a lot of you today. That's awesome. So I'll message you on Twitter, the winner, if I don't know you. So follow me on Twitter, and then I'll ask for your ID if you win. Nikki, I see you. 29, 520. Willa, there you are. Willa, you're due. 29, 550. 0.50. Yeah, it's looking kind of bearish. Kind of, right? Okay, that's it for guesses. Now we will all wait patiently to see what who the winner is. We have lots of entries. Okay, Poor, I'm going to let you have it. So I'm going to call that a delay. You're within 10 seconds of it closing. That's it. Last. 29,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 entries. Could be retracing here to form the wick of this 15-minute candle. That's a new 5-minute opening. See what the 5 minutes looking like. One hour looks like it could be creating this thing. I didn't hit 500 yet. little pumpage here, a little retrace. Yeah, I don't even want to look at Bitcoin right now, but I will. Yes, it did, Willa. You're right. It took out the 88 low. Son of a bitch. We got EMS. He's all in on black, so if the candle is black, he wins. Or she. It's rare, but it happens. Won't that be something if the candle closes exactly where it opens and it's black? There's so many numbers. I don't know who's right around this situation now. Who's still in the game at 595 ish. Oh, there's a lot of you in there. There's a lot of you. Oh, a lot of you. There's a lot of you right around here. This is gonna be. It's gonna be close. I think there's a couple 29 590s, so we're gonna have to go to a spin-off if that wins. Mango, I already have you down. Wait, no, I don't. Yes, I do. You have 599. Yeah, exactly it. Okay. Best to hit the live button on. There's like a live button on YouTube. Sometimes it trails behind and doesn't come. This is what I thought would happen. A little bit of bouncy here, retrace. It's kind of a deeper retrace than I thought, though. So we're going to want to see the next candle. If we want to make a clean swing lower, we're going to want to see this taken out on the next candle to come out. Well, this is it. This is the candle. The close of this candle, guys. There's a lot of you in on it. Yes, the 12-14 close of the 12-14 candle. Oh, your target was off by 2 minutes, Busta. Oh no, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's the close of the 14-minute candle, which is this candle right here. Close of it, which is also the open of the 15. Here we go. That was the opening of the 15. There we go. It closed at 29,593.75. Now let me do some math. Uh, 93, 593. Last is 73. There's a couple 590s. Wildberries, you were damn close too. Everyone is so close together. This is going to be tough. I'm going to need a second, guys. I'm going to need a freaking calculator. Okay, it closed at 93.75. 593.75. So that 90s are 3.75. think the 90s won. 98. Are there any 80s? No one guessed 480. I meant 589 or something like that. Yeah, we're going to a spin-off of the 490 though. So it is Chronic and Mara. Spin-off. Oh my god, you guys are crazy. Okay, hold on, let me get a wheel going. Free wheel. Should have had this up. It's Mar and Chronic, right? Okay, so it's you two. I don't want to get that wrong. I think... Oh, crap. Let me see if I can... Can't get this wheel to the center. Some bitch. Well, sorry for people on mobile. You're not going to be able to see the wheel spin that easily. Everyone else can see the wheel spin. Yeah, Mango, you were in the 90s, but you were kind of far off compared to them. You were 99. Okay. Let's spin this wheel. Good luck to Mara and Chronic. Mara, you won. I know you, so go over and Mars message me your email that you signed up with on Nexgen with. Congrats. Well, wait, that's the second time you won, huh? Got the same situation here. I don't like when it makes the fractal right before, right after, but we wanted this dump. We got this dump. Now it's going to trace back up and chop in here if we want to see a swing low to get out of here to retrace for the day. Give it to Chronic. You're way too nice, Mara. If you're sure about that, Chronic, message me your email for that you have for Nexgen, and we'll get that right over. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what we're looking at. Oh, Wild Deuce, you just buying this blind? New week opening gap, new day opening gap. We had that marked out before, but I deleted it because it was distracting me. We had it here. Really could come all the way down here. There's also a order block right there with the gap, so this is a real good bounce area if it's going to bounce. If not, the bears are in 100% control of this entire market. Chronic, I see you. Oh shit. Holy crap. I have more giveaways, guys. I think that those are all free evals. Crap, I wasn't checking my Discord. Appreciate it, Cam. Nexgen just dumped me a crap load of free, so don't go anywhere. It looks like I'm just going to give away evals all day. Holy crap, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 more left to go. What's up, Gator? I don't know. We're gonna try to think of a new. What do we want to do now? That was fun. We guessed the. Did a guess. Help me out, guys. How do we want to give away these last? Holy crap! How do we want to give up the rest of these? Let me count them again. There's too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I gave away 1. Let's go with 4 more. I have 4 more giveaways, guys. This is a huge. Can't just give it now. Wish I could. Duck race. I don't. Duck race. How the fuck do you do a duck race? Just kidding. I don't know how to do a duck race, guys. I can learn real quick. Yeah, no, I gotta download an app. Okay, we're gonna do we'll do wheel spins again. Thanks for all the dudes. Go spread that around. Duck races are a sight. Okay, let's do duck race. I found a free place. I got 100 names. Shit, let's see if we can do this. I'm gonna butcher some of your names because I'm gonna be typing fast, but we'll get the idea. If you want in on this next one, I'll be giving it away at 12:30. This will be a duck race. Just type duck in the chat if you want in on this one. Next 50K giveaway. We'll be doing this, and I'll just keep the list. So type duck in the chat. Oh, quack. Fucking funny, Mango. So we got... Oh, this was a bad idea. I'm just kidding. Mango. Well, I explained my strategy. I'm not getting to use it today because I'm giving away so many. It's Freebie Friday. Holy crap, guys. Holy crap. Just once, Rick. Y'all just need to type it once. You won't get disqualified or anything, but this helps me. If you missed this one, don't worry about it. I will add you to the next one. I got Willow, got Mara. Wild Deuce. Likey. Spider-Man. Spider-Man's up. Actually, let me get this on the old... Okay, this is a duck race for 50K. Oops, it didn't go in there. Get in there. There we go. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm manually putting them in, as you see here. Because I don't have all the fancy gadgets. Let's hope this works. I'm going to do it in 3 minutes, so anybody else who wants to get in, who is not on this list, all abbreviated, obviously. You're right here, right there. Gator, you're right there. Ethical warrior. I got you. Okay, so we're getting this reaction like we wanted. We wanted this to come up here, then chop here, and then the next 15-minute candle to come down in. So the prediction's coming out. How do we trade it? I'd wait for the I'd wait for the third candle to start to form to make sure that this is going to be the 15-minute swing low. It looks like we might want to be getting out of this area on this, unless we dump past here. It's like a line in the sand. If we close below here or dump below there, basically close below there, that idea is shot. Got 1 minute left. Anybody else wants to enter for this one? I'm glad I didn't accidentally delete that when I was copying it. I'm gonna save the list on the side because I don't know if it saves it after this. We're gonna do. We have 4 to give away, guys. We have 4 to give away. 4 more to give away. Lucky, I see you. I got you, BH. This is the list so far. If you don't see your name, let me know. But I think I got everybody. Yeah, I got you. You're right here. Again, sorry if you're on mobile. Okay, so this might be the next swing low. It broke here. Okay, we're good. Let's go. Stock race this. How long do we want the duck race? 60 seconds? Is that 6 minutes or 6 seconds? Shit. Okay, that's 6 minutes. We want 1 minute. Got seconds, minutes. Okay. Okay, we got 1 minute, right? How do I start it? Set. Oh. Okay, here we go. I don't know if this is gonna have music or anything. Everybody ready? Okay. Away we go. Let's go. Release the quackers. Fun fact, I've been attacked by swans before. It's not fun. Anybody else ever been attacked by swans? Oh, I swear to God, Wild Deuce. You're a freaking vampire in this one. That's funny. Orphan Rehab, they're freaking aggressive. Oh, Ethical Warrior, congratulations. So there you go, number 19, Ethical Warrior. I don't know you on Discord, so please follow me on Twitter. Not message me, but put your Twitter account in the chat. Yeah, she broke way down. She's still going. This is not a reversal area here. Ethnical. Gotta get your Twitter account so I can send you the link. Or the code, rather. So follow me on X and put your Twitter handle in the chat. That way I can message you. Thanks, Chronica. I haven't been paying attention on the... on Discord. My Discord's blowing up. Sorry, guys. I'm not keeping track of it. Okay, so far for winners... we have Chronic and Ethical. Those who don't know, 30% of all of my affiliate money from Nexgen goes to charity. Last month's 30%, which isn't much. I'm a small creator, but still something. Will be going to the Humane Society to honor my black lab who we had to put to rest a couple weeks ago. Okay. I want to do these kind of rapid to anybody who wasn't in, anybody who was not in on that last duck race that wants in on that duck race, type duck. If you've in, don't do it again. It'll confuse me. Not because you'll be disqualified or anything, just because I'm trying to do 700 things at once. I'm trying to get a trade in. But we got... Yeah, I know, I want a long, but it's not coming up with my setup. It broke this, so that's actually a good short. I'm expecting one of these to be a swing low on this 15-minute. I want in on the next candle after that. Because I think right now you're catching a dagger. So I want some confirmation. I want to see like a swing low on this 15 and then the third candle to start pumping up. That's what I'm looking for. Because we are in that new week opening gap. And the new day opening gap. I'll get rid of all this shit so you can see it better. This gap right here. We're sweeping it. There's also an order block here. But what I like about this is T-Trades tells me the equilibrium of the last monthly. So it could come all the way down here. Maybe not today, but it could come all the way down here. It's just melting. It's not a swing low yet. It could be one forming, but it's not yet. Well, the duck's still ducking behind me. Sorry. See, we're just melting. We continue to make continuation patterns. Really should be just shorting the shit out of this. But it's so extended, I'm expecting the bounce here. So I don't want to short this. Duck, BMW, okay, I see you. These are all fake names. I'm deleting there. And who just came in? Ethical, you're already in. Pro Trader. Ethical, I didn't see your Twitter account, so in order for me to get you the free account, please share your Twitter handle so I can message you it on Twitter. Mango, you are getting a re-entry. Everyone who entered before, you don't need to say it. Just new people who have not been here. BMW, almost missed you. $422 Chronic, yeah, that sounds about right. SMT Hunter. If you have not, you need to subscribe, like the stream. If you win, you're gonna have to give me your Twitter account handle so I can message you on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter too. So Ethical, please send me your Twitter handle. SMT was in the last race. Oh, Loyola keeping me. I don't see him in the last race. I might have missed him last time. If I did, I apologize. KD Drew, you're already in. This is the list here, guys. Sorry, SMT Hunter. Apologize. Everyone has a good chance of winning again anyway. Yeah, you just blindly entered this wild deuce, which wasn't a bad soup area, but I mean, look at it. She just wants to keep melting. I think people are pricing in that the fact that we're not going to have rate cuts because the job numbers are too good. Don't you love that? Oh, you guys have too many jobs. We're not going to cut the rates because we want to milk you for everything that you have. Arbitrarily. Okay, next duck race at quarter of. And that'll be the third. Crap, I have a lot to do. I wasn't expecting them to dump 5 free accounts on me for the stream. That's pretty fucking epic. Thanks, Busta. Yeah. Chronic. Mara did win, but he gave it to Chronic. Oh, yeah. They're all selling their stocks to buy crypto. They're selling all their crypto to buy. I don't fucking know. What are they buying? What's pumping? Anything pumping, or we just everything's Everything's just crashing. Nothing. Silver, yeah, we called silver so good. Silver's down 6.9%. For those of you just joining, I have been looking for a trade, but I am very satisfied with my week. I am up on my self-funded. I made 1,300 this morning on a prop firm that shall not be named. I made, then I made, oh, I'm on the wrong account. Glad I checked. This is my first day with this account. Made almost 1,100 on this account. Y'all can see that. Then this account I made 100 this morning. And I've been looking for scalps here, but having too much fun giving away stuff. This is great price action for shorts. It's just continuation pattern after continuation pattern here. Until it proves itself otherwise, which is about the time that I'll short it. I mean, this just kept on changing the state over and over again. Doesn't Nexgen cover the P&L? Oh, let me pull it up, sorry. Can you see that now? Okay, this is the new account that I purchased this morning. I've passed 3 evals on stream last week or the week before. I had not traded them at all. This is an instant funded because I'm going to keep one of my past ones in my pocket because I'm going to trade these pretty aggressively. So this one I've not traded yet. This one I took trades this morning at 810, and this one I traded this morning again, first day trading it, almost 1100. Should have just been shorting the shit. Look at that. Once it broke that, I knew it was gone. Self-funded, I took a loss, but I'm up like, I don't know, I shared it in Discord, like 1,300 on my self-funded. And I took that loss with my Tradeify account, which I had taken a max payout recently, so that had not much drawdown left to it, and I was probably cooked. Yeah, the instant funded here are just too good of deals not to take. Okay, one more minute, we're gonna do a duck race. So say quack. If not, don't worry, there's 3 more coming. And I'm gonna do rapid fire, because this is, I kinda wanna get a trade in. But this is fun. Wildberries, you went quiet, bro. Please tell me you had a stop loss in on that. Oh, Sharma, I got you. Just type duck in the chat and I manually enter them. But I got you now. You're in there. Lucky you're already in. If you're already in, you don't need to press it again. As you see, I have everyone from last time right here. Greater, I got you too. Most of these are abbreviation. SMT Hunter, I got you. You're right here. Okay. Wild Deuce, you're already in, I think. Yeah, you're already in. Lucky, your name is deleted. It shouldn't be. Oh man, I apologize if I did. Let me get you in. Good looking out. I got you, Lucky. Anybody else not see their name in there? Ethical Trader, I still haven't seen your Twitter handles, and I need your Twitter handle to message you your win. Okay, I'm going to run this one. Let me just get this. Okay. Okay, so set. Okay, and away we go. Good luck. That's the 3rd out of 5. Let's go. I'll try not to switch the screens on you. I think I've moved mobile can see better now. They made Wild Berry a berry. Let's see. Did they really? It's hilarious. Wild Deuce. Oh, Mango. Okay, Drew. Oh, Mango's going to run away with it. Is Orphan going to come in the last second? Oh, no. Oh, no. Be hardish. Same thing as... Yeah, no, you fell off, Mango. So we got Chronic, Ethical Trader, and BH Artish. BH Artish, nice. Follow me on Twitter. Link should be in the description. If not, it's at Endless Bull Run. Yep, I got you, but now send me your Twitter handle so I can message you the code. Oh wait, hold on, it's still racing. Nope. Yeah, Mango got tired. Congrats. So, Ethical Trader, I'm going to need your Twitter handle, and same with B Heart. Let me see if I can do this. Let me get off this. Let's get back to the chart. We're looking for a bounce. Is it ever going to bounce? Gold, the fivers. Okay. Got it. Ethical Trader, I really want to give you it. Yeah, funny, Willa. That's right. Chronic, I got you. You're in my Discord DMs. I got you. And I just need Ethical Trader. Okay, this is looking promising. Gonna rapid fire these. It does not include activation, unfortunately, but the good thing is, if once you pass it, you don't get it billed on it. So make sure to, if you fail it and you don't want the rebuild, cancel it. If you pass it, you can hold it for as long as it needs, as long as you need to save up the funds or whatever to activate it. Okay, anybody who is not on this list, I'm gonna do these rapid succession here. Anybody who's not on this list, type duck and you'll be added. And we'll do another duck race at 55. This could be the swing low here, guys. This could be fun. Rick, where's your name? I don't know. Let's see. Right there. Oh, there you go, Ethical. Just type your Twitter handle in the chat so I have it, so I can tweet, not tweet you, but I can message you or DM you on Twitter your code. It's the only way they know that you're real. Not real, but you know what I mean. Dictator's not there? He will be now. Ethical, I got you here. I should be removing the winners, huh? Oh, just type duck, Dictator. Just type duck. Look at this. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere with this. You're in there now, Dictator. We got 2 more we're giving away. Ethical's typed everything but his Twitter handle into the chat. Yeah, we're gonna pretend that Dictator did. But this is exactly what we're looking for reversal. So the 1 o'clock candle we want to see to come trade back down and then continue with the 3rd candle of the swing low. Yeah, I see that you're here, Ethical Warrior. I need your Twitter handle. Because I'm going to send you your code to activate your free account. Got 1 more minute and we're going to start the duck race. Any last people that I missed and or want in? That's what we've been waiting for all day too, and I'm going to do a duck race in the middle of it because that's how I roll. We've been waiting for the swing low this whole stream. Okay, we are. Okay, I got that. Let me grab that real quick. That's your Twitter handle? Okay. Dictator, you're in here. Right here. You see that? You're right there. Okay. Done. Oh, okay. Thanks, Willow. This is tough shit. Appreciate you all. Okay. Thank you, Willow. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's do a duck race. I tried to set up a bot for these giveaways, but my bot didn't want to work. It's Streamlabs, so it should. but it doesn't. Okay, let's go. Good luck. Bust out to a quick lead. Oh. Forgot to do this. There you go. Wish it didn't sit so low on the screen. Here we go. Sure, I have a feeling you're gonna. Yeah, there you go. Sure. Are you here? I hope you are here. Charm. Charm. There you go. Nice. Follow me on Twitter. Send me your handle. I should be removing the winners, actually. I'm removing the winners this time. Sorry, guys. I've been forgetting to remove the winners. Okay, at star. Got it, Charm. I'll send you over that after the stream. So we have one left. We have Chronic who won one. Well, actually, Mara, who generously gave it to Chronic because Mara had won in the past. Ethical Trader. Be Harsh. And Charm. I'm going to Be Heart. I got yours. Charm, Ethical, I got yours. Yeah, I know. Thanks, Willa. New 15, new 1 hour coming up. We're literally sat here and called this, or waited for this rather, swing low to form. It's gonna stall out for a second. If you don't see your name on this and you want in, let me know. Type duck. But Willa knows me. I'm going to sabotage myself by doing this instead of looking for a trade. Nice job, Char. Isn't that luck? Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't either. Dictator, you're on the list. Why does it keep removing you from the list? Hold on. You're there now. How does he? Okay, I might have to put it. Maybe they don't want Dictator as a thing. I'm going to do this. You're going to be Dict. Okay, because I think they're not. I think it might be a blocked. Like they don't want Dictator on their duck race. I apologize. That's kind of weird. You do keep getting removed. Don't worry. There'll be more. There'll be more. I got ethical traders. I got Shems. I got Chronics. This is the last one. Yep. I'm going to remove the winners now. Chronic. Ethical Warrior. Charm. BH. There we go. I know, right? They're censoring duck races. I'm like, where did I know I've typed his name like 20 friggin' times. I think I took out all the winners. Ethical Warrior, I got you now. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, take out Wild Deuce, yeah. Ethical Warrior, you're already in. Oh wait, you've already won. You can't win again. Wild Deuce is permanently banned from everything. I'm going to run it at 105. Okay, here we go. This is becoming interesting. This is where we want it to bounce. If not, the Bears are absolutely in control. Orfner, you won. Well, no, you won, but you gave it away, right? No, wait, did you win? Are you fucking with me? I have Chronic, Ethical, Be Hardish, and Charm. Or just mean in the past. Jesus, I can't do this, guys. You guys are... You're testing me. I'm looking for a trade. Feel like this came down too far, though. Let's see if it's on a 786. Yeah, just about. Okay, so not too far. I want this green candle to be a little more violent than what it is. I want to see a lot more movement. Yeah, I don't like that close. Normally I would scalp this next candle, but I don't like that. I wanted that to be a lot more. I wanted that to come up here a little bit more. I wanted to take out that wick, but it didn't. So it's not doing what I want yet. So I'm not going to get into it. Got 35 seconds for the duck race. So if anybody wants in on the last. Nope. Keith, you just got it just in time, Keith. Here you are. Yeah, I rapid fired these ones. If I can spell your name right. There you go. Keith, you're in. See? Dictator, you're right here. I should put your name like 4 times. Make sure to like and subscribe to the stream. Follow me on Twitter. Links in the description. Because if you win, I'm going to DM you your code. It's not doing what we want to. There was a retracement, but there was no propulsion off of that, so I'm not liking it. It's hovering right below the 50% of the last 15-minute candle. We really wanted to see that hold as well. So the bulls haven't stepped in yet, but it has so far formed a nice swing low here. Why is this dumped so much? I don't know. I think what's happening is the job claims numbers came in strong, which usually signifies that they will not be cutting rates. They came in way stronger than projected, which is kind of dumb. Let me get a 4. I can do that after. Let's do the duck race. Yeah, right, exactly, Keith. Fucking. Okay, good luck, everybody. This is the last and final giveaway. You never want to be in the lead first on this, right? That's like... Thanks, Offner. Appreciate it. Quack. I can't scroll down. This thing is messed. Oh, I can scroll down. Wouldn't let me scroll down before. Sorry, guys. There you go. How's that? Before it wouldn't let me scroll down. Oh, Willa. Oh, here comes Lucky. Lucky, you won. Oh, Busta just right behind. Lucky. I need your Twitter handle. Congratulations to the winner. K-Bears always wear lipstick. Congratulations. So Lucky, I need your... That was the last one, guys. So if you're here for giveaways, that's it. But like and subscribe to the stream. That was awful nice of Nexgen. My link to sign up for Nexgen is in the description. Code EBR gets you 80% off. Congrats to the winners. Busted, you came close. Lucky, send, not send, but post your Twitter handle in the chat, please. Hi. You want to say hi? Up, 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 up. Good girl. She's like, Dad, you're never on this long. Hi, sweetie. Sweet. We had 5 giveaways today. Thank you, Nexgen. I didn't expect it. I'm glad I looked at my Discord because they sent them over on Discord to me. So no, this is not a trade for me. It's already failed with everything that I wanted. The Candle 3 did not produce. So this could just be a pullback on the 15 now, right? We have 5 minutes left in this 15. If it doesn't start to go, this Candle 3 is cooked. And it's just going to be like a little bit more of a pullback than that was there. To continue down or chop. I'm really surprised this hasn't started to turn around this late in the day to at least retrace some of the losses. But it is not. There was some good setups. The really good setups all the way through here. Did not take any of them. I have to learn to take trades and give away stuff at the same time. BMW, I'm just real. I don't want drama. Appreciate it though. Oh yes, my first spam bot. Hide user on channel. Okay. Yeah, I know, yeah. Everyone buy all the crypto that the spam bots show. Yes, I have a dog in the back. It is my German Shepherd. Most loyal dog you'll ever own, for sure. Yeah, I've been really satisfied with Nexgen. I wish it moved to 5 accounts, but 3's good. And they give you that ability to, like we were talking about, that ability to scale your payouts. So you can really go big buffers, right? Because your first 8 is 1,500. I play 50,000. I know you play 150s. Then after your 8th payout, you get to scale to 300. So you can really push these accounts high. Have a good one, Spider-Man. Appreciate you coming. Yeah, this completely failed. That candle 3 was just a retrace. Waited all that time for that, and it failed. And how did I think that it was going to fail? Was because of this right here. I don't believe the activation is free. I think they might have posted this in the Nexgen Discord. I don't know. I don't think they're free. The activations aren't free. Let's just say they're not, because I don't believe they are. Nope, they're not free. They didn't say they were free, so they're not free. Activations, but after you pass, you heard that it was free. I'll double check. But I don't see that they said they were free. But if you can't afford it, save the pennies. You don't need to worry after you pass. They won't rebill after pass. If you fail it, make sure to cancel it before the rebill if you don't want to get rebilled. Yeah, no trades yet. We were waiting for this 15-minute to come down, but I did take trades this morning. Again, these are fresh. These are my first accounts I've had. I passed 3 of them on the live, and this is actually a straight to funded because I'm saving my last past eval as a backup. But I traded this one this morning, first day 810, and this one first day almost 1100 on this one. We were looking for a reversal for this, but she did not want to reverse. I was giving away giveaways through here. This was actually perfect. We could have made a lot of money through there. Okay, thanks, Orfner. But with code EBR40, if there's a activation sale going on, you will get the activation, or just use their activation code to get the activation off. Yeah, it's double bottoms. That's what I'm saying. It's like once that candle right there didn't have any gusto, I figured it was going to reverse. Or continue, rather. This looked hopeful. This all looked hopeful until there. It just lost. It lost this order block here. It lost 50% of that candle. But like, do we short down here? We're in this gap, and this is why I haven't been shorting since those other ones that I showed. We're in this gap here. That daily gap right there. New week gap, new daily gap. We might be coming out of it now, actually. Yeah, we're through it now. We broke it, we inverted it. Chronic, that's what it's feeling like, right? Like, I think everyone is longing, and it's just long squeezing. Like a man, I wish I wasn't doing giveaways here. That was clean. How big are these candles? They're still pretty big this time of day. That's kind of crazy. Bear's in control. Also had 1,300 on my account that I'm banned on. One loss on my self-funded, which was attached to my Tradify account. So the Tradify account is probably cooked. I took max payout and just didn't. I don't size down when I take a max payout. I really should though. So I took a hefty loss on that. So I'm gonna count that as cooked. It was a really, really good week overall. Like, I don't dare to do anything at this level. A lot of new people. Love the new people. Appreciate y'all. Introduce myself a little bit, I guess. I am semi-retired entrepreneur and I guess say political strategist, marketing consultant. Used payouts mainly from one prop firm to open up a dispensary last year. I then turned around and sold that for 200 and something X. So I'm just chilling, hobby trading. I am by no means an expert, so take everything I say with a grain of salt. Do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. Where are we going, guys? Who's a breaker person? Are there any breakers yet? I trade mostly the T-Trades fractal model, which was textbook coming down through here. I've been doing a 1 minute scalping strategy off of that. I'll take the first candle after the breaker structure, or 2 candles after the breaker structure. Like these, I would take these 2 and close it. Not always, they tend to give something after that change in state of delivery or breaker structure. So it's a high hit rate, so I go a lot heavier than normal. I'll do like 1 full mini on a 50K account. And if it trades back in and closes into that candle, I'll close it out, or if it trades above it, I'll close it out. And hopefully my math is right, that I don't screw myself on the how much size. These candles have been huge. I'm actually probably way oversized. No, I'm going to do it after stream. Ethical, you'll be getting it, don't worry. Lucky, did I get your... Lucky, did I miss your... Lucky, you still there? I need your Twitter account. Unless I missed it. Did you post it in the chat or did you apologize? Or did you message me on Twitter? Okay, you followed me on X. That's awesome, but I don't know who you are. I've had an influx of people following me. So if you could just put your Twitter handle in the chat so I can have it. And who knows, you might pick up some other followers. Ethical, I got yours. Ethical, I have your handle. I know Chronic, so he's in my DMs already. Be Hard, I got yours. Ethical, I got yours. Charm, I got yours. Just need Lucky. Oh, there's the pump. There we go. That's what I wanted to see this candle do. I don't know. Who's Chronic? Ethical, I got you. I have your Twitter handle. You're good. Lucky, send me your handle. I can't add you because I don't have your handle. Please send me your handle. I need your screen name. I don't see that you followed me either. That's the problem too. Oh, they might be blocking it. Don't put the @ symbol. Just type it and see what happens. Sorry, YouTube can do that. They'll hide things that think it's spam, except they won't hide the actual spam. Okay, I got you. Sweet. Okay. I got it now. Appreciate it. Sorry about that. And right after I jump off the stream, I'm going to let my dog out and then I will get everybody, well, I might get everybody their stuff right now before I do that. We're just going to chop here. I really appreciate everyone tuning in. It was fun. Nexgen gave me us 5. accounts to give away on. Like that was. I'm glad I looked at my DMs and Discord. That was awesome. I didn't expect to be giving away 5 today. I thought I was just going to be giving away 1. Congratulations to the winners. We do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thursday, I have volunteers. So a lot of times I don't stream. I volunteer in the morning. Sometimes I just don't feel like streaming in the afternoon. But definitely Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I'm here. And yeah, we just have a good time. This is a chill area where you want to relax. No drama. Just good group of people that we surround ourselves with. We want to keep it that way. Really appreciate you all. I'll get all the winners their stuff right now. Appreciate it. Peace.